If you ask a roboticist, somebody who studies robots for a living, what is a robot? It's actually a very challenging question to answer.
My name is Rebecca Kramer-Bottiglio, and I'm a mechanical engineer and materials scientist.
When you conjure up an image of a robot, you typically think of rigid machines that perform repeated tasks, and they don't adapt to their environment because that's not what they've been designed to do. But when we think of robots for the future, we imagine things like animals, like ourselves. We are incredibly adaptable. We adapt our body configuration and our behavior toward different tasks and environments, and we want to design robots that can do the same. And when we look at how animals adapt to different tasks and environments, what we notice is that all animals are at least partially soft. There are no known animals in the world that are completely rigid, which is in contrast to the way that we typically design robots. And so I study soft robots, which are robots made out of soft materials. Soft robotics is a broad field touching on wearables and manipulation, shape-shifting robots and locomotion robots. My group is developing novel, responsive, and intelligent materials and embedding them into robots that can perform novel behaviors like shape change. And we draw upon inspiration from biology. We have a turtle and tortoise inspired robot platform with morphing limbs. Turtles and tortoises are morphologically very similar, but they differ primarily in their limbs. So when you think of sea turtles, you think of elongated flippers that are relatively flexible and flat. Tortoises have rounded limbs that are better for load bearing and terrestrial locomotion. So what we've developed is a morphing limb platform that can switch back and forth between a flipper-like morphology and a leg-like morphology, and it allows the robot to accomplish efficient locomotion both in water and on land. What I love about working in robotics is all of the intellectual challenges. We have the opportunity to redefine what is a robot from the ground up.